So getting this out, this guy here, basically I put it in the mill and then I slowly drilled it and I managed to get the arm off. Getting the felt seal out from here was easy. It just came right out. The old rawhide leather seal, that was a pain. I had to basically, it wouldn't pull out, so I had to kind of crush the side in. But that finally came out. Using a bolt, I was able to knock this bearing out this way. That was easy. But the bearing on this end, that was a little tricky. So I used a 1/4-inch bolt, ran it through, put a nut on it, pulled it back up to about that point, clamped the bolt in the vise in the side of the side jaw, and then I used a adjustable wrench between the vise and here, and basically went like that, and got the outer bearing out. So I don't know what brand this was. I kind of destroyed the name before I could read it. I believe these said Torrington, if I'm not mistaken. But that's out. Now I can put the new parts in it. Put the new pin, new governor, new oil seals going in, and a new felt. Just, oh. I bet this was, yeah, see this was like this when I took it off, but I bet you this little bugger was over here to reach around. Yeah, I was wondering why it was short. So I guess it ripped and then somehow managed to wrap itself. Interesting. Anyway, but that's out. That can be put together now. I'll clean the engine up one more time because it got a little rusty, you can see, from just the condensation from all the rain we keep having, and the floor sweats and stuff. So get that together, and then I'll paint the engine, and then I'll start reassembling the engine.